CSIR नेट जून 2019 में क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 है. Let f be an entire function such that limit z tends to 0 mod of f of 1 by z equals to infinity. Then which of the following is true? Option A is f is constant. Option B is f can have infinitely many zeros. Option C is f can have at most finitely many zeros. Option D is f is necessarily nowhere vanishing. ऑप्शन डी का मतलब है कि f has no zeros. Let's see its solution. We have a result. If a function has pole at infinity, then f of 1 by z has pole at z equals to 0, which means limit z tends to 0 mod of f of 1 by z tends to infinity, which means given fz has pole at infinity, which implies f is non-constant, so option A is incorrect, because option A says f is constant. So obviously if f has a pole at infinity, so f is non-constant, so option A is incorrect. Also, if f has a pole at infinity of order n, then f is polynomial of degree n. This is a result. So f can be written as a polynomial of degree n, which implies f cannot have infinitely many zeros because its order is n, so it can has maximum n, so it can has n zeros. So option B is also incorrect. So now we have A is incorrect and B is also incorrect. It states f can have infinitely many zeros. Now let's check option C and option D. Also D is incorrect because obviously f has zeros. Now D is saying f is necessarily nowhere vanishing, but if we have this polynomial, then f has a 0, so option D is also incorrect. Option C says f can have at most finitely many zeros. From this it implies option C is correct. So option C is the only correct option.